Let's learn the names of ambulances and emergency vehicles. Kids, are you ready? Let's go.
Ambulance van.
This is an ambulance van. It carries sick or injured people. It takes them safely to the hospital.
Motorcycle ambulance.
This is a motorcycle ambulance. It reaches patients very quickly. It helps save lives in emergencies.
Rescue helicopter.
This is a rescue helicopter. It flies to help people in emergencies. It quickly takes them to safety.
Moving in now. Secure the latch. We are ready to lift.
Air ambulance.
This is an air ambulance. It flies sick or injured patients to the hospital. It provides fast emergency medical care and helps save lives.
You are in good hands.
Rescue boat.
This is a rescue boat. It helps people on rivers and seas. It brings them safely back to shore.
Drone ambulance.
This is a drone ambulance. It quickly delivers emergency medical supplies. It helps save lives during emergencies.
Doctor car.
This is a doctor car. It quickly takes doctors to emergencies. It helps patients get fast medical care.
Bicycle ambulance.
This is a bicycle ambulance. It reaches patients in narrow places. It gives fast emergency help.
Pickup ambulance.
This is a pickup ambulance. It carries patients in difficult areas. It provides fast emergency medical help.
Doing great, sir. We've got you.
Off-road ambulance.
This is an off-road ambulance. It travels on rough roads and muddy paths. It reaches patients in difficult places.
Ambulance bus.
This is an ambulance bus. It carries many patients at the same time. It helps during big emergencies.
Let's get you comfortable inside.
Search and rescue helicopter.
This is a search and rescue helicopter. It finds and rescues people in emergencies. It quickly takes them to safety.
Hoisting up. Almost there. Steady.
Golf cart ambulance.
This is a golf cart ambulance. It helps patients in parks and large areas. It provides fast emergency care.
Where does it hurt?
I think I twisted my ankle.
ATV ambulance.
This is an ATV ambulance. It travels over rough land and trails. It quickly reaches patients in emergencies.
I have the splint right here.
We're gonna get you home.
Buggy Ambulance.
This is a buggy ambulance. It drives on rough roads and sandy areas. It quickly helps patients in emergencies.
Military Ambulance.
This is a military ambulance. It carries injured soldiers safely. It provides fast emergency medical care.
Easy now.
Ambulance boat.
This is an ambulance boat. It carries patients across rivers and lakes. It provides fast emergency medical care.
His vitals are holding steady.
Hospital ship.
This is a hospital ship. It treats patients at sea. It provides medical care and saves lives.
Hovercraft Ambulance.
This is a hovercraft ambulance. It travels over water and land. It quickly reaches patients in emergencies.
Seaplane Ambulance.
This is a seaplane ambulance. It lands on water and flies patients to the hospital. It provides fast emergency care.
Lifeboat.
This is a lifeboat. It rescues people on the water. It brings them safely to shore.
You're safe now, little one.
Fire Rescue Ambulance.
This is a fire rescue ambulance. It helps injured people during fires. It gives fast emergency medical care.
You're doing great.
Neonatal Ambulance.
This is a neonatal ambulance. It safely carries newborn babies. It provides special medical care.
Pediatric Ambulance.
This is a pediatric ambulance. It carries sick children safely. It provides special medical care.
Mini Ambulance.
This is a mini ambulance. It quickly reaches patients in small streets. It provides fast emergency care. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning videos.